After measuring your window, use our online proprietary measurement software to enter and verify its dimensions. To begin, scroll down and click Add Item to add a new window to your list. Once that appears, click Measure Now to enter the window's measurements. You'll then be prompted to label the insert to identify its location in the home. Next, you can choose the glazing type and tubing color for your window insert. You can now record the measurements for width, height, and diagonals of the window. Then click Save. After entering all measurements, click Submit Values, and then click Submit to send your dimensions for review. Indow staff will confirm your order and send your measurements to production to hand make your Indow window insert.